Hey friends, we're gonna do a grocery shopping video today. I haven't been doing a lot of grocery haul videos. That's primarily because I've been doing a lot more small hauls. We do a lot of buying in bulk, like buying half a cow at a time and things like that. And then I just tend to run to other stores. The two main stores that I go to are Meyer, which is our local Kroger store, and Safeway, which is the same as Bash's and Tom Thumb and other places. Anyways, they have like the Lucerne brand there. And I usually just go like once a week to pick up whatever is on sale. So, cheese, dairy like sour cream and cottage cheese, heavy cream, what else? The vegetables, fruits and vegetables, anything that's on sale, plus whatever staples, usually, apples, bananas, potatoes, things like that. And so it just tends to be like really small hauls. And I always am like, oh, it's not really worth, making a whole video. We got a fly in the video. It's not really worth making a whole video, but I figure if I combine, some of those trips, like I'm going to two different stores today, Meyer and Safeway. And then the other thing I'm going to be doing is picking up our milk. We've been getting fresh milk from a local farm. We get 2 gallons a week, and that seems to do us pretty well for our family with 4 kids at home. So I'm going to be picking that up, and I'm thinking that that's going to start to be my regular grocery shopping day is Friday. And because that's the day I pick up the milk. So it might become kind of a regular thing where I do these smaller hauls, show you like the deals that I pick up. And we pick up our milk on the same day. And really that is how I keep groceries affordable for us. If I just made a list every week of all the things that I needed, to cook throughout the week and went to the store and bought them, when most of them are not going to be on sale, my grocery bill would be huge. It always kills me every time I have to run to the store and get something for a recipe that I just didn't end up having and it's not on sale and I end up spending way more than typical. But if I'm on top of the ads and picking up the things that I know that we need, that we normally use in the house, and I pick them up when they're on sale, and anything that I can stock up on, I stock up on. I tend to overall, everything is way cheaper because most of the things I buy are on sale. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention is that Friday is also a great day for me to go do our little grocery shopping trips, because at Safeway, they do a Friday frenzy, just a whole list of things that are on sale only on Fridays. And so there are often some really good deals there. So it works out great to have Friday be my day, so I can just take advantage of all the deals. So Tally and I are about to head out. We have to run by the library because she's desperate for the next book in her series. So we're going to run there. She's going to grab that, and then we're going to do our grocery shopping and then pick up milk last. So one thing I do not purchase on my weekly grocery shopping trips is electrolyte supplements. It's actually really difficult to find good quality electrolyte drinks or supplements in the grocery stores. A lot of them have tons of added sugar and all kinds of junk, like artificial flavors and colors and different things like that. So the electrolyte supplement that I always use and trust is Element. Element is an electrolyte supplement drink mix. It has no added colors and it is only sweetened with stevia. They also use forms of sodium, potassium, and magnesium that are really readily available for your body, so you can be confident that your body is getting the hydration it needs. And then on top of all that, they have some amazing flavors that actually really, really taste good. I look forward to drinking them throughout the day. And of course, I have mine here when I go out grocery shopping. So if you are wanting to try out Element, they have a special deal for all of my viewers. You can get a free sample pack. The sample pack includes 8 of their regular flavors, like 1 stick of each flavor, so you can try them out. All you have to do to get the sample pack is use my link, drinkelement.com/indigo. That's DRINKLMNT.com/indigo. All you have to do is click that link, go place an order for anything on the website, either some of their drink mixes or their new sparkling electrolyte drinks, and you will automatically get that free sample pack added. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring today, and we've got to get back to shopping now. First stop is Meyer. The main grocery sale here was actually just peaches and nectarines, which is Talia's favorite. But then I also needed some back to school sales, some notebooks and things like that. So otherwise I probably wouldn't have just come for only peaches. Although Talia still would want me to come for only peaches.
I'd force her.
Yeah.
I'd make her do it.
Yeah. Back to school sales.
Pencils.
We need notebooks. That's the main thing we need. We don't need those kind of pencils. Cheap, cheap, cheap notebooks. All right. How about let's get like one of each color. So they're red.
Are there different colors? Like, oh, look, there's black.
I know this is purple, but it's hooked together. It's hooked together. There we go.
Blue.
Purple. This purple one looks funny.
Blue.
Whatever. Is there green?
Yeah, there was
Yes. How many is that?
5.
Let's get 8 total. So we'll have to double up on colors.
I like the black ones.
Okay, take a red. There you go.
That's it.
That should hold us for a bit. Talia needs a new sketchbook for her art. The artist. Always arting.
Oh, no, it's a big one.
There's a little one here. Drawing. Oh, that one's only $4.99.
Yeah, that one's
The other one was $8.49. Even though we're already stocked up on meat, I still always have to run through the meat department to see if there's any amazing markdown deals.
You
like bacon.
You like buying meat. Like I like buying notebooks and sketchbooks.
Yeah, you just want to look at it.
I just want to
think about buying it.
Just take one.
I don't see any markdown.
You like meat, like I like books.
There you go. Well, we could just get a bunch of Beyond sausage. And some top sirloin. That's not a great deal.
What is this?
That's bouillon cubes.
What is that?
You've never seen a bouillon cube before?
What is that?
It's like condensed chicken broth.
Artificially flavored chicken.
Yeah. She's never seen a bouillon cube. I didn't find any reduced meat that I couldn't live without, but I always also have to check the cheese department. Cheese department. Sometimes they'll have reduced, but it's not reduced. They can have some really good deals, reduced cheese deals.
Still Irish cheddar.
What is this? Creme fraiche for $2.85. Just don't know what I would do with it. Ooh, whole milk ricotta. I think I'm gonna get some of that and figure out something to do with it. But it's not on sale. It's $8. We're looking for reduced things. This is how to shop. There's not a lot. Not a lot of options.
Why are my favorite ones never
everyone buys those and they never get reduced.
They're reduced and more people will buy it.
Yeah. Look at that caprese salad. That looks good. Sometimes sausages can be reduced too. I've stocked up on some sausages here before. Such a good deal. Oh, they have different kinds of blue cheese. All the blue cheese is reduced. Bay blue cheese, Point Reyes, goat blue cheese. What's this one? Maytag blue cheese. Never heard of such a thing. I'd say about 2 to 3 per pound. So get 10 or 12, and that should be good. So you like nectarines better than peaches?
On average, yes.
Okay, good to know. I think this is going to be it. A few groceries and other necessities. Decided to go for a duster. Ours broke a while back. Needed some light bulbs, important stuff.
Very important.
So I said I didn't see any meat deals that I couldn't live without, but then on the way out, I noticed a couple that I was like, it's too good to pass up. My husband and my kids love these. They have bacon cheddar, they have triple cheddar, and they have jalapeno pepper jack beef patties at Fred Meyer, and they're all good. And I don't usually buy them unless they're reduced, and sometimes they can just be such a good price. It's like, I just got to do it. So 1 1/3 pounds for $4.50 is a pretty good deal. I will cook these up tonight and have them for the kids and for my husband for dinner. So I got 2 packs of those. Those were the only 2 that they had reduced. Then, of course, we got our almost 5 pounds of nectarines. I got my whole milk ricotta. That looks so good. I haven't had ricotta in a long time. And I have my Point Reyes original blue cheese, for steaks, for salads, for all the things. So that's all the groceries that we got at Fred Meyer. And then in here we have all our non-food stuff, like our new duster, which is very exciting. Our I wanted some, soft, warm light bulbs for my lamp in my bedroom, and then our school supplies, some glue. I ended up switching out the let's see where they go. Switching out the crayons for these twistable crayons for Levi. I really like these. They just, they don't break like regular crayons. I feel like they get used more. And then I also got the twistable colored pencils. Same with those. You don't have to sharpen them, and I feel like they just last longer. We got a couple packs of mechanical pencils because we always need those. And then we got a whole bunch of notebooks for the school year. And that's everything that we got at Fred Meyer. See, the total that we spent was $66.09, but I will figure out the difference from the non-food to the food so that we can keep track of how much we spent on groceries. Last little cart. Avocados, 99 cents a piece today. So we're gonna do some of those. I can get my bag open. Cantaloupe is 2 for $5 on Friday. Today only. So we're gonna do a couple of those for fruit this week. Cucumbers. Get 4 of those. They're 50 cents a piece. That's good. And then you want corn on the cob?
Yes.
Okay.
I will eat corn all day long.
Pretty minimal here too. Just fruits and vegetables today. Right? Is that all we got? Fruits and vegetables? I think so. So here is our Safeway haul. We got 8 ears of corn, fresh corn to enjoy, because it was on sale for 50 cents an ear. And then I got 6 avocados. I got 2 pretty big cantaloupes, and I got 2 big bunches of bananas because we can't keep those in the house. They go immediately. And then I got 4 cucumbers down here. And so I think that's a pretty solid amount of produce for $20.07. And when you are just shopping the sales like that, it really saves us a lot of money. Just, the produce that we get for the week is what was on sale for the week. And so it does vary, definitely varies. But we don't, just go in and get our exact favorites every time, but we get a variety and it's way cheaper. So that is what we got from Safeway. Last stop, picking up milk. What'd you want to say?
Can you make chicken wings?
Well, I actually got bacon cheddar burgers.
Ooh.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Or would you rather have chicken wings?
Both.
Both. Here's all the food I got for the week. And obviously this is not all the food that we will eat for the whole week, but because of the way I shop, this is just kind of how it works out. So from Fred Meyer, just the food that I got was $17.95. And then from from Safeway, I already told you the food was $20.07. So I'm at about $38 for my weekly grocery haul. Aside from the milk, I pay for that once a month, but our weekly amount of milk comes to $30. So that's about $68 for my week's grocery haul.